آج ہم کرکٹ دیکھ رہے ہیں اور کھیل بھی رہے ہیں. My grandma's house, I thought you were going to hit me with the ball.
They need to work more as a team. They're playing as individuals, so they have really good players, but they're not good with teamwork.
So آج cricket World Cup में it's India versus Pakistan. And so ہم اپنی دادی کے گھر جا رہے ہیں because we're going to all sit together and watch the match. Yeah, I'm just going to go to the shop first to get some snacks because اپنی دادی کے گھر there's just so many people there and everyone likes to have a cup of tea and have biscuits and there's never any biscuits at my grandma's house, so just as a little nice gesture I'm just going to go get some snacks and I think I'll get some milk for the tea کیونکہ ہمارے گھر میں I think ایک رواج ہے کہ like you have to have a cup of tea whilst you're watching a game, so whether it's like the World Cup for football or cricket or any other sport, all the boys they like to have a cup of tea whilst watching there. This is St. Paul's Road and it's kind of in like the mid-centre of Bradford. Oh yeah, oh look, you can already see them in the window. Oh, little bitchy, my little cousins. Hi, you okay?
Yeah, good, how are you?
Good. Assalamualaikum. Video bana rahe hain.
Come on, 2 more wickets.
They're losing.
I know, but you never know.
What have we got, snaps?
You get 2-3 quick wickets, it can change the complex of the game.
So what is this going
Your dad's the only person that I know that really gets like into
My
cricket.
mum.
Where is he?
Why is everybody coming, ھانا? Watch this.
Oh,
think
just
so.
missed by a whisker.
This has been on since 11 o'clock in the morning. हाँ अभी तो लूज हो रही है तो अच्छी बात नहीं है. Special treatment. I bought some shortbread biscuits. Cake rusk or shortbread?
Start with shortbread. Pakistan zindabad.
I'm gonna do it first. Can you not see?
Okay, I won't see. Oh, you! Oh my God!